In this video, I'm going to talk about the summary statistics process, and on the screen now is the output for a single site. It does as the name implies and gives us the summary statistics. That is the minimum, maximum, mean, standard deviation, and the quartiles. Let's have a look at the options available when preparing one of these. First, we need to open the dialog, go to Table, Stats. We can choose to use the actual data points, unless we're looking at incremental data like rainfall, of course. We can look only at the quality codes associated with the data. We could choose a fixed interval average and then specify an interval to analyse the data at regular steps. Or a moving average, where the average is calculated over the specified interval, but hydro steps through the data dependent on where the data points are recorded. This one counts the number of events that are greater than 3 times the median flow. Here we'll use the actual data. In the table we looked at, the summary stats were calculated across all the data in the time range. If you click here, Hydro will calculate the stats for each year in the time range. And the year doesn't have to be the calendar year, you can choose when the year starts here. If we tick here, Hydro will draw a box whisker graph in addition to the table. And there is, as usual, the option of sending the data straight to the clipboard for a one-step paste into Excel. We click OK, and here's our graph showing a summary for each year. And here's our table, and because our year starts in July, this first year is July to December 1990 and January to June 1991, and so forth down the table. With the results on a single line, the statistics process comes into its own when analysing a collection, and let's have a look at one now. We go to Table, Statistics, Collection, we'll look at Stage, All Data, and we want the stats over the entire time range. Click OK, and here we have our graph showing each of the 3 sites in the collection, and our summary stats for each site. Let's go back and have a look at the annual stats now. And we get the summary stats for each year for each site. And there you have the simple but powerful summary statistics process.